How to turn on or turn off auto host channels on your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down here, click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is click on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, now all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on brand, as you can see, or click here on featured content here. After you click on featured content, you will find auto host channels. You can now enable it or disable it from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.